Hi everyone, I'm Lerta from Cemantica, and today I'll take you through our Learning Center, how to find it and how to utilize it. Now, the Learning Center is your one-stop space for guides, tutorials, and best practices to help you get the most out of Cemantica. If you're visiting our website, you can find the Learning Center by going to Resources here at the top menu, and then Help Center. From your Cemantica dashboard, you can locate the Learning Center by clicking on the Learning Center at the top right corner. Now, inside of the Learning Center, you will find step-by-step guides, helpful articles, methodology guides, best practices to make your journey building experience much smoother. And if you ever need some more help, you can locate the chat bubble here at the bottom right corner of your screen. It's available both on our website as well as inside of the Cemantica dashboard, just like you see here. You can use the chat bubble to search for helpful articles and take a look at all of the resources that we have available here, offering you step-by-step articles and best practices to complete your journey management. You can also take a look at the news section to find news and updates about Cemantica, new features, and so on. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to our support team through Contact Support. If you want to learn more, you can visit our website, cemantica.com, or you can reach out to us at info@cemantica.com. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you inside of the Cemantica Learning Center. Bye.